Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to decrease lag on your Aternos server. First of all guys, make sure to quit your server and simply go ahead to your server Aternos and open your servers from this list. You can go here and select the server that you want to reduce the lag in it. The second thing is to go here to softwares or simply click right here on the left menu and go and search for Spigot Slab Bucket, as you can see right here. Go ahead and install the latest version that you want or whatever your version you are interested in. For me, I want the latest one, and I'm gonna click here and then click on install. Now as you saw, I have installed this version, and if I want here, it is Spigot, and this is the version. Now once you have done that, you will see that there is another menu has been created. It is called plugins. Make sure to right click on it, and after that you will simply go and search for clear lag, as you can see, and simply search for it. Here you're simply gonna choose this one, clear lag, as you can see right here, and click right into it and simply download the latest version. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one, and simply it will be downloaded. Now when this tick has been shown to you, simply go back to your server and run it, and this will reduce a lot of RAM and basically make it very good for you. So now give it a allow so you can read notification, and there is many other ways, not only by using this plugin, but there is also this option right here which allows you to actually add more RAM so you have a better gameplay, which is by boosting your server simply by buying a couple of things and set up a middle within your Aternos word, which is very simple and easy. Now for this process, we're simply going to wait a little bit until the server is loaded and created, and then we're going to join our server. As you can see by now guys, the server has been created, and now as you can see we have to actually give ourselves the whitelist version. So the server is now working, it just needs to give ourselves the whitelist. So let's go here, give players here, add whitelist to your name, and go to the server settings simply by going to your log and simply go to your options and give, in case it was whitelist on, simply make it off. In case you had the correct version, then simply use the correct version, and then you will need to actually restart the server in case you had this problem. And now let's run the server again guys, and as you can see here we go on into the server. So now what we need to do is to give it a little bit of time since the server has just opened, and as you can see once I break a block it will instantly be breaking. There will be no lag in the server. I can throw items as I want and everything is working smoothly. Let me just show you by breaking like a log here. As you can see the log should be breaking and they will be able to take it nice and smooth. And that was it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next video.